Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Craving chili but limited on time? This semi-homemade recipe is taken from the Darn Good chili mix. I've added a link to the chili mix in the description. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights, quick, easy, crowd-pleasing, and budget-friendly. I'm using the recipe on the package, plus adding other ingredients. Feel free to improvise with the type of meat you use, or no meat.
He doesn't eat meat.
What do you mean he don't eat no meat? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I make lamb. Come.
Get creative and make it your own. Plus, I've added a bonus at the end for baked cornbread muffins, which pairs perfectly with the chili. So let's get to cooking. You'll need 1 package of Darn Good chili mix, 1 package of Italian-style turkey sausage, a half a link of Kielbasa smoked sausage, 1 quart sodium-free broth of your choice, 3 cups of water, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and 1 can of black beans. That's optional. The veggies include a quarter of a whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic. Spices include a dash of chili powder, ground cumin, and cayenne pepper, and 1 stock pot or Dutch oven pot. Begin with preparing the meats. Slice the kielbasa sausage link. Add the package of turkey sausage to the pot, breaking it up into small pieces to brown evenly. Once browned, add the sliced kielbasa link and continue stirring the meats. Chop the onion and garlic cloves. Add the onion to brown first, then garlic, and continue stirring. Add the chili powder, ground cumin, and cayenne pepper. Remove the cooked meats and set aside. We'll be adding them back to the liquid. Next, add the broth and water and allow it to come to a rolling boil. Add the tomato paste and whisk into the liquid. Then return the meats to the pot. Add the chili mix and stir. Add a can of black beans rinsed. Now reduce the heat to medium to simmer uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes. The longer you simmer the chili, the more flavorful it will be because it allows the spices and seasonings to develop further. Also, I did not have to add salt or pepper since the chili mix contains sodium already. While the chili is simmering, we're going to prepare some cornbread muffins that will pair perfectly with the chili. Prepare the cornbread mix according to the directions on the box. This is where I improvised and added my own twist by adding frozen corn and honey to the mix. Another idea is adding some grated Monterey Jack cheese and or peppers to the mix for extra richness and spice. Add the batter to the greased muffin pan. I prefer larger muffins, so the result yielded 6 muffins. Bake the muffins at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Then remove the muffins and allow them to cool before serving. Voila! Top with cheese, sour cream, and chopped green onion, and enjoy, my friends. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.